Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 10. This is your computer lecture. Today we are going to discuss our unit number 6. This is the title page of your computer science book for class 10. The topic of unit chapter number 6 is graphics in basic. So basically, first of all, we will discuss the introduction. What is graphics? Graphics is an art to design and produce pictorial representation of information. This is the definition of graphics. This facility is provided in almost all the versions of basic language. It is displaying information on screen. Graphic is that area of computer programming which is highly in use these days. It depends on the hardware such as input, output and graphic card, color graphic adapter and video graphic array. Let us start from the beginning. Your screen is made of hundreds of pixels. The number of pixels horizontally and vertically determines the resolution of your monitor. In GW Basic, we can be in any number of graphics modes which define the current graphics resolution called as pixels, text resolution called as characters, number of colors and number of video pages. There are total 13 screen graphics modes and each has its different purpose. There are several ways of drawing on the screen. Each uses things called coordinates to define what area of the screen to use. A coordinate is a specific pixel, picture element. A pixel is one dot on the screen. This is the definition of a pixel. Your computer screen is made with 1 million little square of color called as pixel. You can determine any coordinate. A coordinate can be determined by counting the number of pixels down and the number of pixels to the right the pixel. How many modes of displaying data in basic language? Yes, basic provides 3 modes of displaying data. Number 1, text mode. Number 2, medium resolution graphic mode. Number 3, high resolution graphic mode. First of all, we will discuss the text mode. Yes, that is used for only textual data. In text based graphic, text and lines can be drawn on the screen. The whole screen is divided into 80 columns and 25 rows. It has 16 colors out of any 2 colors palettes. Columns are counted from 0 to 39 or 79 and rows from 0 to 24. Medium resolution graphic mode is used in drawing graphic. The display screen is divided into a matrix consisting of 320 columns and 200 rows of pixels. The position of each and every pixel will be determined by its coordinates on x-axis and y-axis of the screen. This graphical mode works with 4 colors. The different 4 colors are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 of 16 color can be chosen for background and 1 for foreground. Each of the foreground and background palettes is given in table 6.1. High resolution graphic mode is used in drawing graphics with matrix of 640 into 200 pixels. We are able to display the text characters in 25 lines of 80 characters in each line. Next, our topic is screen statement. What is screen statement? Look at the purpose. The screen statement is commonly used to select a screen mode appropriate for a particular display hardware configuration. Here we have the example. The supported hardware configuration like IBM monochrome display and printer adapter MDPA with mode 0 is used to connect only to a monochrome display. Programs written for this configuration must be in text mode only. Here we have the syntax to write the screen statement where screen mode is a numeric value. It may be run on each type of computer or monitor. It depends on the display card and monitor's type. In its explanation in basic language, screen mode 0 is by default. It is only text based. It can be viewed on the screen. Screen mode 1 activates medium resolution graphic mode, and screen of resolution 640 into 200 pixels can be obtained in it. It also needs good quality monitors like CGA, color graphics adapter, EGA, enhanced graphics adapter, and VGA, video graphic adapter. Screen mode 7, 8, 9, 10 are also used to draw medium resolution and high resolution graphics. All of them support graphics, and good quality result can be obtained in them. Here students, we have the full screen modes and their description are given in this table. For various screen modes and display hardware configurations, different attribute and color settings exist. So here we have the attributes from 0 to end 15, and their colors are given in this table 6.1. Color attributes for screen except screen 10. What is color statement? After screens modes, the next important thing used in graphics is the color statement. The purpose of color statement is to select display colors. Here we have the syntax to write down the color statement. In general, color allows you to select the foreground and background colors for the display. In screen 0, a border color can also be selected. In screen 1, no foreground color can be selected, but one of two 4-color palettes can be selected. Here we have the table. Mode screen 0. What are its effects? Modifies the current default text, foreground and background colors, and the screen border. The foreground color must be an integer expression in the range 0 to 31. It is used to determine the foreground color in text mode, which is the default color of text. 16 colors can be selected with the integers 0 to 15. A blinking version of each color can be selected by adding 16 to the color number. For example, a blinking color 7 is equal to 7 plus 16 or 23. Thus the legal integer range for foreground is 0 to 31. The background color must be an integer expression in the range 0 to 7 and is the color of the background for each text character. The border color is an integer expression in the range 0 to 15. If no arguments are provided to color, then the default color for background and border is black. What does screen 1 means? In screen 1, the color statement has a unique syntax that includes a palette or argument which is an odd or even integer expression. This argument determines the set of color display colors to use when displaying particular color numbers. So here numbers are given: 1 for green, 2 for red, 3 for yellow, 1 for cane, 2 for magenta, 3 for white. Screen 2, no effect. Screen 7 and 10, in these modes no border color can be specified. Background is given by the background color. Here we have the example to show the color statement. Next, our topic is about the palette. It is used to select from one of two color sets that are already available, such that these color sets will be used by color parameter of a line, circle, pset, draw or other graphic utilities. Here we have the syntax. The palette statement works only for systems equipped with the enhanced graphic adapters EGA. In GW Basic, palette contains a set of colors with each color specified by an attribute. Each attribute is paired with an actual color display as shown in this tables: palette, numbers and their colors. What is pset statement? Its purpose is to display a point at a specified place on the screen during use of the graphics mode. Coordinates values can be beyond the edge of the screen. However, values outside the integer range cause an overflow error. Is always the upper left corner, and 0199 is the lower left corner in both high resolution and medium resolution. Here we have the syntax how we can write the pset, and the example is also given. What is line statement? The purpose of line statement is to draw lines and boxes on the screen. Here we have the syntax. In syntax, the value x1, y1 and x2, y2 are used to specify the coordinate positions of starting and ending point of the line. These 2 points positions are separated by a minus or dash sign. B box to draw a box with the points x1, y1, x2, y2 at opposite corners. BF filled box to draw a box as B and fills in the interior with points. The style is a 16-bit integer mask used when putting down pixels on the screen. This is called line styling. Style can one of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is used for normal lines and boxes but invalid for filled boxes. Here we have the example students to draw different types of lines. We can make a box, a square box in the upper left corner of the screen also. What is circle statement? The purpose of circle statement is to draw circle, ellipse on the screen during use of the graphics mode. Here we have the syntax. The x, y and are the x-axis and y-axis coordinates of the center of the circle or ellipse, and radius is the radius measured along the major axis of the circle or ellipse. The color specifies the color of the circle or ellipse. The start and end angle parameters are radian arguments between minus 2 pi and 2 pi, which specify where the drawing of the ellipse is to begin and end. Here we have the examples, example number 1, 2 and 3, to draw different types of circles and ellipse on the screen. Draw statement. The draw statement is used to draw lines and other shapes on the screen. Here we have the syntax to write down the draw statement. A string consists of single character command followed by a prefix that controls the size, direction of the line and enclosed in the quotation marks. Each of the following movement commands begins movement from the current graphics position. Movement commands move for a distance of scale factor n, where the default for n is 1. Thus they move 1 point of if n is omitted and the default scale factor is used. Here we have different commands which did different types of functions. Un for up, En for down, Ln for left, Rn for right, according to this picture as shown in this page. Here we have the example to draw a triangle and a square box on the screen. Line number 20 screen 2, line number 30 p set, line number 40 draw statement, 50 remarks, 60 screen, 70 p set statement, 80 draw statement. When you run the program, a square will be obtained. Next students, we have the exercise. Look at these filling the blanks. Now solve it with me. Screen 2 is dash resolution graphic mode, high. Answer is high resolution graphic mode. Number 2, correct answer is screen in 40 columns multiplied by 25 rows. Number 3, the correct answer is 300 into 200 pixel. Number 4, the correct answer is draw statement. Number 5, yes, the correct answer is draw statement. Number 6, correct answer is brown. Number 7, the correct answer is 640 into 200. 640 rows and 200 columns of matrix. Number 8, fine dots are called pixels. Number 9, 0 and 1 each with 4 colors. Number 10, color statement will not function in high resolution graphic mode. Next students, look at the question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Here we have the MCQs. Please take the correct answer. Number 1, part C is the correct answer, color. Number 2, D is the correct answer, 16. Number 3, A is the correct answer, screen. Number 4, D is the correct answer, 5 types. Number 5, B is the correct answer, text mode. Number 6, B is the correct answer, draw. Number 7, C is the correct answer, both A and B. 8, A is the correct answer, palette 0. Number 9, C is the correct answer, ellipse. Number 10, A is the correct answer, 1. Next we have the true and the false. It is hard to see and measure a single pixel. So our first Option is true. The format of color statement depends on the text mode. Number 2, false statement. It is false. Number 3, with text mode we cannot draw a good picture. Number 3 is true. Number 4 is also true. Number 5, draw is used as a low logic graphic program. It is false. Number 6 is true. Number 7, line statement can draw a diagonal line on the screen. Number 7 is true. Number 8, screen function can be set to either of 3 modes. Number 8 is false. Number 9, in text mode, characters are displayed on the screen in 40 column and 25 rows. Number 9 is true. Number 10, circle statement can also be used to draw an ellipse. Number 10 is true. Now also mark your question answers according as we have studied in this unit. Answers are also given in the end of your book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.